of class 2, welcome again to your math class. Now we were learning time and calendar topic, right? So we have finished doing months. We have already discussed about months. Now we'll go on days. Okay, so it is, I have written here, a week has 7 days. So I don't think I have to recall it once again, because months name you know, there are 12 months, right? So let's talk about days. A week has 7 days. First day is Monday. Alright, first day is Monday. Now second day, Tuesday. Tuesday, and then third, Wednesday, fourth, Thursday, fifth, Friday, sixth, Saturday it is, seventh, last day of week is Sunday. Okay, so these are the days name, and the first day of a week is starting from Monday. All right. Now you can refer. You can see your page number 162. It is clearly given there in the bracket, which is very much important for you all to remember. Okay, so please learn this properly. It is very helpful for you all. Okay, so these are about days. So there are 7 days in a week. I hope you have learned in the junior LKG, UKG classes that a week has 7 days, Monday, Tuesday. You have learned this thing. Okay, this is just a revision for you all. Alright. Now let's go to page number 162. See what we have got there. This is very much important. Now we all know that 7 days means it's is equal to 1 week. Okay, 7 days means it's 1 week. So 1 week equals to 7 days. So 7 days equal to 1 week. So in 2 week, it will be 40 days. Like it is addition of 7 days. Right now. Next is about 52 weeks. 52 weeks equals to 1 year. Now if somebody asks you how many weeks are there in a year, okay, how many weeks are there in a year, you can't say exactly 52 weeks. No, you can say about 52 weeks. About 52 weeks are there in a year, in 1 year, we can say. Alright. Now, next is 12 months. We have already learned 12 months equals to 1 year. 12 months equals to 1 year. This is exact 12 months equals to 1 year. Now next, 3, 6, 5 days. 3, 6, 5 days is also equals to 1 year. Okay, and then 366 days is also equals to 1 year as well. Because we have already learned why how this 365 days come and how this 366 days come in 1 year. We have already learned. If it is non-leap year, if the year calendar has non-leap years, that means all days in a year is 365. Okay? Now, if the calendar is a leap year calendar, that means when February has 29 days, okay, then it is 366 days, which we call a leap year. Do not forget this one, okay? This is called leap year. Alright. Okay, next thing is about 4 weeks. About 4 weeks equals to 1 month. About 4 weeks is equals to 1 month. So, if somebody asks you how many weeks are there in 1 month, so you can say about 4 weeks are there in 1 month. Not exactly. Sometimes we can say it is 4 weeks in a month, or it is 4 weeks in 1 month. We can say, okay, you can say, or about 4 weeks in 1 month. All right. Now, next is 10 years. 10 years make 1 decade. 10 years make 1 decade. 1 decade means, see, we simply write 1 decade for 10 years. 10 years equals to 1 decade. For example, this book is 10 years old. If I say, okay, this book is 10 years old. Now, I can use another word. This book is 1 decade old. Okay, so 10 years, 1 decade set equals to, okay, 1 year is 10 years is equals to 1 decade. This is same. Okay, do not get confused. All right. Now, one more, 2 more are there. Hundred years make 1 century. 100 years make 1 century. For example, if I hope you all like to watch cricket. So if Sachin makes 100, wow, we say, wow, Sachin made his 100 runs. We can either say Sachin made his century. We can say, okay, 100 means century. So 100 years make 1 century. Okay, 100 years. Okay, not days, not months, but 100 years make 1 century. 100 years equals to 1 century. Yesterday Sachin made his century. So century means what? 100. Okay. Yesterday Sachin hits century. That means century means it's 100. Alright, so you can learn these things like that. Okay, now the next is thousand years. I hope it's coming. 1,000 years make 1,000 years make 1 millennium. Okay, double L. See, it is double L E N I U M. So 1,000 years make 1 millennium. Okay, MILLENNIUM. So 1,000 years make 1 millennium. Okay, 100 years means 1 century, and then 1,000 years is equals to 1 millennium. Okay? Do not just remember 1,000 is century, 100 is a century and 1,000 is a millennium. Okay? So remember this thing. Now it is very much important. Okay? This will help you more about weeks and days and years and decade. Okay, just learn this properly. Now we call the years from 1900 to 1999. Okay, let's write on the board and discuss. So this is there in your book. Please refer it, say it, and learn. Now we call the years from 1900 to 1999 the 20th century. 20th century. Okay. So when we say from 1900 to 99, it's 20th century. Now the people who lives in these years, so we are in 20th century. Okay. Now let's write another year. For example, 2000 to 2099. 2000 to 2099. It is. It will be the 21st century. 21st century. Okay. So now most of the children in our school, they are in our primary school. They are from their date of birth. Date of birth is from 2000, right? And 2000. So this comes under 2000 and 2010. So those students are called 21st century children, you can say. Okay? So you guys are 21st. You guys are in 21st century. You guys are in 21st century. Alright? Now our date of birth comes under in this category, 90s category. Okay, so we can say we are from the 20th century. Okay, we are from 20th century. Now from 2000 onwards till 2099, we say 21st century. So we are still living in 21st century. Alright, so till this number gets over. Okay? Now, the year 1001 to 2000 equals to 1000 years. This is easy to remember. 1000 years from 1001 to 2000. It's just like counting the numbers. Alright? So let's stop here for today. Next time when we come, we'll do the exercises. Alright? Now you can do by yourself if you find the questions easy. Alright? So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay safe and take care.